Hey, this is our iteration plan sync meeting for January 3rd, 2023 for the product marketing team on digital experience. Welcome back everyone from their holiday breaks. I'm going to share my screen and we'll kind of go through the boards, how they stand right now. It's a little light as people are coming back from the holiday, but over the next couple of days, we'll add more issues into the boards and kind of get things rolling. Let's start with Nathan.
Thanks. Sweet. Yeah. For the next 2 weeks, pretty much exclusively on Smartling and getting the goal is to get, is it by the end of January? Was that the deadline that we had? Or was it mid-January? I can't remember what deadline.
It was end of January to try to get one language up.
Yeah. So yeah, I might propose a different language other than German, just because I don't think any of us speak German. So it might be easier if we do French or something that we can we can kind of review our own translations. But yeah, pretty much just translations and globalization for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna sit down and properly scope it out and create issues and do all that fun stuff. But yeah, that's me. Oh yeah, we do Spanish. What am I talking about? French. We have like 5 native Spanish speakers. Should we be doing that?
I think there's like business reason that's why German, French, and Japanese, I believe, are on the list. It's because those are the markets we want to go into. And it's got to be French. It's got to be French, I think, too.
Oh, well, isn't Tina's
Tina's partner is yeah.
French friend. Anyways, I'll hand it off to someone else because I'm just blabbering now. Mateo. Or Javi, sorry, Javi, you're next on the list. I wasn't looking.
No, you're good. This iteration, I'm working with Rob on some info implementation. I might pull Nathan into some of that. I have work and review for the all caps, but I'm going back and forth with Megan and Tina, who's out. And then I have one request from Nathan, or not Nathan, from Dennis. Sorry, Dennis, about the product, about there's certain GTM events that aren't firing in the product. And so we suspect that something in the code base got changed. So we're probably going to, make sure that those events fire, and 2, add tests for them to make sure that they properly fire so that when other people in the product make changes, they won't break our stuff. That's it for me. Up next is Mateo.
Thank you, Javi. I already have 2 things in review. That's the new synopsis page for the GitLab versus and the migration of the tooltip over to slippers. So I will be solving feedback for those. And I also have moving the site navigation to be not absolutely positioned, which will affect the solutions pages, and also updates to the value stream management pages. And that's it for me. Next is Marge.
She's out right now. She's got one thing to review, adding the progress bar and link to the maturity pages on the competition or the versus pages. She's also working on some small accessibility things for the versus pages. And then she's going to update a hero image on the dedicated page right now. And I think that's it. Like I said, over the next day or 2, as everyone kind of gets ramped up, comes back from their holiday break, we'll probably circle back on a few of these issues and some other issues and talk about priority and go from there. Thanks, everyone. I don't have